Doing my rounds, just looking for trash and brush and stuff like that. Come across this in the ditch. It's an egg.
Hello! Anybody in there? Fly, be free!
So kind of what I'm doing right now is we're going around and turning on all the power boxes. So somebody's ahead of me going to the main breaker box and turning them on, and I'm just going by with just my drill recharger, power brick, stick it in here, and just turn on the 20 amp and see if I get any light. This doesn't have any light, but it's a good thing we come out here and we double check these. Okay, this one has power. Last thing we want is for a camper to come out here, get themselves all parked and everything, and then find out something's wrong with the power. The other Campos couple guy that I'm working with, he's going to the main breakers, turning everything on, and I'm double checking each power pole. And I'm following behind them, and then I'm marking down which power poles we have issues with. So what I'm doing today is painting. There's these yellow discs that kind of are markers between RV sites, and just pulling them up, just slapping a fresh coat of yellow on them, just pulling them up. They're just laying on the ground, not much to them, and I just bring it over, slap a fresh coat of yellow on it. Basically my job today.
We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
Man, it is very cold and windy. Still not open yet. Just driving around looking for boat trash that might have blown in, collected, stayed, whatever, through the whole winter in the areas that I can reach without walking way down the bank and falling. Trash there, trash here. Doing a cleanup. I just go around looking for fallen big branches, trash. One of my mornings that I'm on schedule to work, I just do my rounds, check all the campsites. We are officially open, however, not everybody's coming in, just a few seasonals. Those are the ones who have a site for the season. This is a private dock. People can anchor up their boat for an entire season, so they'll rent it. So what I do in the morning is I'll go around from edge to edge of the entire campsite, see if there's anything out of the ordinary, take notes, see what needs to be worked on that day. We do have a lot of extreme wind out here, but we have of late. If there's any felled trees or broken brushes or anything like that, I'll just make note of things that need to be done. If I can pick up trash, brush, and throw it away, I'll go back to the garage and gather the stuff that I need to do my job for the day. Doing my rounds, just looking for trash and brush and stuff like that. Come across this in the ditch. It's an egg.
Hello! Anybody in there? Fly, be free!
It gets cold at night, sometimes down around the 30s, so If it was fertilized and there was an embryo inside, I'm sure it's dead by now. Anybody hungry?
This raw.
So this is P2. The P sites are primitive camping. So no electric, no sewer dump. Probably come with a tent. So this is an example of one of the primitive sites. Come down here and you pitch a tent. And the road coming in is steep and narrow. So yeah, you'd be limited to what you could bring down here. You got a fire ring table, got a little pavilion. And this is an example of the road coming down into P2. See how narrow it is? Let me show you how narrow it is. So you would be really limited to what you could bring down here. This Kawasaki Mule, yeah, barely fits the road. It's steep. So just driving around on the backside, that up there is another RV park that is just adjacent to Beulah Bay Campground. That is a private RV park, but also they lease land from the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, because this whole surrounding land of Beulah Bay and Lake Sakakawea is all part of U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. That down there is private property. This is overlooking from one of the primitive sites on the north side.
I'm going to be away for a week. Tom's going to stay, except that he's driving me to an airport family needs me right now, so I'll be gone for a week in Canada.
International
So,
flights are expensive, so being in Beulah, we found the best thing to do was to drive into Bismarck, North Dakota, and rent a car here, and then from here I take her to the Winnipeg airport.